Welcome to C1 English Studio. Today we're going to solve a very common and very frustrating problem. Imagine you're on the phone and you need to spell your name. You say, "My name is Guillaume. Guillaume." And the person on the other end asks, "Was that G or J or B?" Over the phone, letters like B, D, G, P, T, and V sound almost identical. The solution? The NATO phonetic alphabet, a tool used by professionals around the world to communicate clearly, no matter how noisy or difficult the connection. The NATO phonetic alphabet has 26 code words, one for each letter. These words are used every day by pilots, military personnel, dispatchers, and call center agents worldwide. Here they are: Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot, Golf, Hotel, India, Juliet, Kilo, Lima, Mike, November, Oscar, Papa, Quebec, Romeo, Sierra, Tango, Uniform, Victor, Whiskey, X-Ray, Yankee, Zulu. Each word was carefully chosen because it sounds completely distinct from every other word on the list, even on a noisy or low-quality line. That's what makes this system so reliable. So how do native English speakers actually use this? Here's a natural example. My name is Sophia, S as in Sierra, O as in Oscar, F as in Foxtrot, I as in India, A as in Alpha. You'll hear three common variations in real life. Americans most often say S as in Sierra. British speakers sometimes shorten it to S for Sierra. And in fast or casual contexts, people simply rattle off the words: Sierra, Oscar, Foxtrot. No filler at all. Here's your C1 insider tip. Native speakers don't always stick to NATO. They improvise. B as in boy, M as in Mary. Both are perfectly natural. NATO is your reliable backup when accent, speed, or background noise gets in the way. Now let's put it into practice with real names. Take Guillaume. Golf, Uniform, India, Double Lima, Alpha, Uniform, Mike, Echo. Did you catch that? For the double L, we say Double Lima, not Lima, Lima twice. That's the pro move, and it sounds much more natural. Chloe becomes Charlie, Hotel, Lima, Oscar, Echo. Rodrigo, Romeo, Oscar, Delta, Romeo, India, Golf, Oscar. And Mercedes, Mike, Echo, Romeo, Charlie, Echo, Delta, Echo, Sierra. Now pause here and try spelling your own name using the NATO alphabet. Say it out loud. The more you practice, the more automatic it becomes, and the more confident you'll sound in real professional situations.